Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to learn machine learning with W3Schools.com, and you can very easily learn machine learning as a root level, zero level, and you improve your knowledge related on machine learning concept, algorithms, and training, testing, and decision tree point of view. So how to do it and where exactly available such kind of course absolutely free. Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So simply open here Google. You can do same process mobile devices also. W3 School. Here first link is display here. W3 online web tutorial. W3 are introducing new platform, new features. They are providing some paid courses also, but we look it out just only free tutorial option. And look at this here, inside the tutorial option multi subjects are available here, but we can see here data analytics, learn AI. You just simply click here, learn machine learning and get start here. So look at this, machine learning, making computer learning, study data, statistics, step direction, artificial intelligence, data and learn predictive outcome. So here root level, what is a machine learning, basic fundamental definition for three different entities and three different perspective, where to start, how to start study with machine learning using Python programming language, what is a data set, how to call data set in array, an example data set is available here, BMW, Huawei, Ford, Tesla, Ford, Toyota, such kind of database is available here. They are providing, you can use it as a data type, numeric, characters and some other concepts. So you can do it. The next part is come here, mean medium mode, how to use mean medium mode in machine learning field, standard deviation, some other concepts are available here, data distribution, numbers and data distribution, scalators, learning regression. So learning regression point of view here, so examples are also available, polymorphism regression. Earliest you are heard this word C++, but in machine learning fields also, first of all they explain and then provide you little example like 2-3 lines, and then improve the example as a 6 to 7 line, then 10 to 5 line, how to import libraries like a NumPy, Matplot, and how to execute those library as a small example. Multiple regressions examples also available. What is multiple regression, how to call multiple regression, what is a pandas, and how to execute or how to read as a CSV file. And inside the CSV file you can focus on specific character attributes as a column name, and how to predict the specific column values, results. So it's my point of view, it's amazing platform if you are understanding a root level programming language. So you definitely visit the W3School.com in Python section, data analytical section, and learn here machine learning small concept. So definitely improve your knowledge related on machine learning fields. So this is a simple video how to learn machine learning absolutely free and root level. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.